Hi, dear friends, welcome back to Timeless Wisdom. You might be wondering, shouldn't I have mastered all this by now? Trust me, I understand. As the years go by, keeping our homes clean doesn't always get easier, but it can get a lot wiser. Today, I want to share 6 daily habits that make it possible for every senior woman to maintain a bright, tidy, and inviting home without wearing herself out. These routines might appear simple, but they truly transform your space from a stressful burden into a peaceful retreat. Stay with me through to the end, and if you love the idea of a clean home without the hassle, don't forget to like this video, share your own tips in the comments below, and of course, subscribe to Timeless Wisdom for more down-to-earth advice for women just like us. Habit 1. Start your morning with one small cleanup task. Let me share a little secret I've learned after many years of running a home. How you start your day is how your home will look by the end of it. Now, I'm not saying you need to wake up and deep clean the house goodness. No. Those days of trying to do everything at once are long gone, and I don't miss them. What I am saying is this. Pick one simple thing to do each morning that sets a tone of calm, order, and cleanliness. It might be as small as wiping down the bathroom vanity after you've brushed your teeth, straightening the cushions on the couch, or making sure your kitchen sink is empty and clean. Why does this matter so much? Well, starting with a little win puts you in a positive, proactive frame of mind. It tells you and your home that you're in control, not the clutter. And it's amazing how one small thing leads to another. I've noticed that on mornings when I take just 5 minutes to tidy the kitchen bench, I naturally want to carry that energy through to the living room, the bathroom, even the bedroom. It's not about exhausting yourself. It's about building gentle momentum. This one habit alone has saved me from that creeping feeling of overwhelm later in the day. You know, the one when you look around and wonder, how did it get like this? Start small and you'll finish calm. Habit 2. Keep surfaces clear always. Now, this one might sound too simple to be powerful, but I promise you it's one of the biggest secrets to making your home look effortlessly clean. Surfaces flat, inviting little areas that somehow attract every stray object in the house. Piles of mail, yesterday's teacup, half-read magazines, a tissue box that somehow never makes its way back to the cupboard. Sound familiar? Here's the truth. Cluttered surfaces make a home look messy, even when it's technically clean. A kitchen bench littered with papers and odds and ends feels chaotic. A side table stacked with unnecessary bits and bobs feels neglected. The trick is to train your eyes and your habits to recognize when a surface is starting to collect clutter and nip it in the bud. I like to think of my surfaces as tiny stages in my home. What's on them sends a message. Clear surfaces say, this space is peaceful, cared for, and loved. Cluttered surfaces say, help, I've been forgotten. So, I make it a habit throughout the day to return things to their rightful places. It's a small effort with big rewards. Not only does it keep my home looking neat, it also makes cleaning easier. Wiping down a bare counter takes seconds. Dusting a shelf with only a vase on it, easy as pie. Less on your surfaces means less chaos in your mind. It's one of the simplest but most powerful habits you can form. Habit 3. Tidy as you go, not later. This is the golden rule that I wish someone had drummed into my head when I was younger. Don't leave things for later. When we're young, we have the energy to let things pile up and then do a big cleaning blitz when it gets out of hand. But as we get older, that energy doesn't come so freely. And those big cleaning sessions start to feel like mountains we'd rather not climb. That's why the habit of tidying as you go is a lifesaver. Think of it this way. Every time you move through your home, you have a little opportunity to make it better, cleaner, and more comfortable for yourself. Made a sandwich? Wipe down the counter while your tea is brewing. Finished reading the paper? Fold it up and pop it in the recycling. Heading upstairs? Take the laundry basket with you. Cooking dinner? Wash utensils and clear away packaging as you go. These aren't grand gestures, they're small, thoughtful moments that save you from having to tackle a big mess later on. Over the course of a day, these tiny tidying habits accumulate into a home that stays consistently neat without ever feeling like a chore. And there's a wonderful peace of mind that comes with knowing your home is ready for a surprise visitor, for your own relaxation, for simply sitting down with a good book and knowing there's nothing waiting to nag at you. Tidy as you go, it's a small shift in thinking, but it changes everything. Habit 4, 10-minute evening reset. Now, this, my dear, is one of the most valuable habits I've picked up over the years. You see, it's not about cleaning your home from top to bottom before bed heavens. No, it's about giving your home a little loving reset so you can wake up to calm, not chaos. Before I put my feet up for the evening or head off to bed, I take about 10 minutes to do a gentle sweep of the main living areas. Not a deep clean, just a light touch to restore order. I fluff the cushions, fold the blanket over the arm of the chair just so, make sure the remote controls aren't scattered about. In the kitchen, I wipe down the benches, rinse out the sink, and make sure there aren't any stray mugs or plates left out to greet me in the morning. I might even set the kettle up ready for my morning cup of tea. It's like leaving myself a little gift. Why does this matter? Because mornings can be hard enough without waking up to visual noise. Starting the day with clutter already in place can make everything feel harder, heavier. A simple evening reset prevents that. It gives your home and your mind a clean slate. And there's something deeper, too. This little habit sends a message to yourself. I care about my space. I deserve a peaceful home. It's a form of self-respect, a way of honoring the life you've built, the space you've created, and the woman you are today. You don't need a spotless house. You need a space that feels settled, calm, and welcoming when you rise. Habit 5. Keep cleaning supplies handy in every room. I used to make the mistake of keeping all my cleaning bits and bobs under the kitchen sink. It seemed sensible wreathing in one place. But do you know what that meant? Every time I noticed a smudge on the bathroom mirror or a bit of dust gathering on the bookshelf, I'd think, oh, I'll deal with that later when I'm already cleaning something else. And of course, later rarely came. These days, I keep a small, discreet set of essentials in each main area of the house. A spray bottle and cloth tucked under the bathroom vanity, a duster hidden in the hall cupboard, a packet of wipes within easy reach of the living room. Nothing bulky, nothing unsightly, just little helpers scattered where I need them. Why? Because cleaning becomes infinitely easier when you can do it in the moment. Spotted a fingerprint on the mirror? Wipe it off then and there. Noticed a bit of fluff on the shelf? Dust it off before you even have time to think about it twice. The less distance between you and the solution, the more likely you are to take care of it right away. It's not about turning yourself into a maid, it's about making life simpler, smoother. As we age, convenience becomes our friend. I don't want to drag out a cleaning caddy every time I notice a smudge. I want things tidy now, not later. And the result? A home that stays consistently clean with almost no effort at all. Little touches done often keep things from ever getting out of hand. Habit 6. Open your windows and your eyes. This one might surprise you, but hear me out. Fresh air is part of a clean home. Every morning, almost without fail, I open up a few Windows 7 if just for a short while, letting the stale air out and inviting the fresh air in. It changes more than just the atmosphere. It changes the energy of a space. It lifts the heaviness, clears out the mustiness, and makes your home feel alive. And while I'm at it, I make a slow, thoughtful walk through the house. I take my time, there's no rush. I look around with fresh eyes. Are the windowsills gathering dust? Is there a little cobweb hiding in the corner? Are the baseboards looking dull? It's amazing how much you notice when you're truly present in your own home. Final thoughts. Taking care of your home goes beyond simple cleaning. It's really about building a deeper connection with your living space. Every time you notice a small detail or take care of a corner, you're honoring the effort and love you've invested over the years. Being attentive to your surroundings helps you catch little things before they become overwhelming. And it reminds you that a home, just like a cherished garden, flourishes when it's cared for with gentle, regular attention. Even something as simple as opening the windows can lift your spirits. Letting in a breeze, listening to birdsong, and feeling the morning light can completely refresh the energy in your home and your mind. These small moments remind us that our homes are not just places we live, they're our safe havens, filled with memories, comfort, and peace. You deserve to enjoy and feel at ease in your space every single day. Thank you for spending time with me here at Timeless Wisdom. If you found these ideas helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, share your favorite home habits in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to Timeless Wisdom for more heartwarming tips and inspiration. Take care, and remember every day is a chance to make your home a little brighter.